Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the DoorDash Revolution. Please share this video and give us thumbs up on this video so we can get this video pushed out. I want you to watch this video to the end because this video have some very valuable information and that I recommend it to you. We do have in our niche in the gig community iconic gig tubers like Bentley Coupe and your driver Mike. Normally in my videos I don't do an at to other content creators or their channels. Maybe Pedro was one that I did do that with. I will be doing the at thing in this video, because these content creators, their subscribers look at them as iconic influencers. Plus, these guys are the number guys. They like dealing with numbers. I'm not going to name all of them in the at list, but they will be honorably mentioned. And I'm going to try to not leave out the ones that I think are the most popular ones as far as in our community that deals with the numbers. We got Bentley Coupe, your driver Mike, Pedro, DoorDash Santiago, he called himself Bet on You, Hot Facts with Robert Reese, More Finance, Nugs, Kim's Side Money Plan, Ride Along with Bree, UDM and Hannibal. Now, a few of these content creators I'm not going to do an at to, but I mentioned everybody on this list here. Reason why I want to get their attention, their subscribers' attention, their viewers' attention, is because of how imperative this message is. This is not bashing anybody. This is not trying to make anybody look bad. But I got to state the facts and the truth. This is also a review of what I have experienced in my market. I would like to go to the community post that I did two days ago. We talked about a subject: do high customer and acceptance ratings get higher priority on high valued orders? So I will be, if you look at this video, I want you to go to that community post and we're going to do a breakdown in the details of what those screenshots were, what my receipts were, and what my status was as well. Now, the title for this topic: how to make dollars per mile in the diamond zone. How to make dollars per mile in the diamond zones. How to make dollars per mile in the diamond zone. Follow me, if you would, today to the community post that I just mentioned earlier in our introduction. I would like to discuss and break down the details to you in each one of these receipts. Receipt number 1 from 5, we're going to look at, it talks about the delivery details of my diamond orders. We're looking at 8.6 miles. We look at the initial offer, which is up under the total. You will see an underscore line that's going through that number. That was the initial offer that was given to the driver before the order was complete. 8.6 miles, $16.75 was the initial offer of the first receipt. So, by doing an analysis, review, and study, we find it to be $1.95 per mile. All right. We're going to do a breakdown. I'm going to try to make it as fast as possible, but I want you to break out the calculator. $16.75 divided by 8.6 miles. And you will see it right there, ladies and gentlemen. $1.94. And then you got that 7. Mathematically, it would have been $1.95 per mile. Okay. Now, as we look at this receipt, follow me if you will. As we look at this receipt, we look at that the total payout was $29.21 was the total payout after completing this order. All right, let's go back to the calculator. $29.21 divided by 8.6 miles, ladies and gentlemen. And this is what you have. $3.39. And then you got this 6, which carry over will be $3.40 per mile. As you can see, as you following me, looking at the detail of this receipt. This receipt is an indication that it was a diamond order. And it's an indication that it was also a large order. I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of diamond order receipts that I have collected from October until now. So as we look at this analysis breakdown, the initial offer was 8.6 miles, $16.75, $1.95 per mile. After completing this order, delivery drop-off, the total payment was $29.21. The final payment per mile, $3.40 per mile. The customer tipped $21.96. Let's go to the next receipt fast as we're going to move as possible. Here we have 10.1 miles. The initial offer was $17. Okay, so the initial offer dollar per mile was $1.68. I know there are drivers that would not have accepted this offer. They would have declined it, unassigned it, catfished it to another driver, pitched it to another driver. Let's break down the analysis as fast as possible. Let's go to the calculator. $17 divided by 10.1 miles. You get $1.68 per mile for the initial offer. All right, looking back at the receipt again, we notice that after completion, it was a $24.07 tip. All right, the total payout amount was $29.82. All right, let's do the calculations real quick, ladies and gentlemen. $29.82 divided by 10.1 miles. You have $2.95 per mile after the total payout. All right. Follow me quickly as we go to receipt number 3. As I turn my page around, the initial offer for 11 miles was $30.75. The initial offer dollar per mile, $2.80 per mile. All right, after the drop off, let's do a calculation, ladies and gentlemen. $33.64 divided by 11 miles. $3.05, which could be carried over to $3.06 per mile after completing that delivery. Receipt number 4. Follow me in the community post as we do this quick breakdown. All right. As we look at this initial offer, this initial offer was 2 miles for $8. And you look at the receipt, you can see where it's underscored, where it's scratched out $8 and show you the total payment. So the initial offer for 2 miles was $4 a mile, ladies and gentlemen. And the initial offer was $8, Diamond Plus. This was a large order as well. Let's do the final analysis on the final breakdown of the total payout after completing the delivery. $28.44 divided. This is going to be mind-boggling and mind-blowing. 2 miles. $14.22 per mile. As you look at the receipt, ladies and gentlemen, and you look at the diamond icon, and you read what DoorDash is letting people know about the diamond zones and the diamond orders and the diamond offers, where they pairing the best drivers in this tier level to the highest paying customers, which are the highest tipping customers. It lets you know that for this order here, it lets you know, it let the DoorDash Revolution know, and it said for all, same thing for all receipts. You have seen it too if you have received these as a diamond driver. High pay order. Your high acceptance rate and customer rating gave you priority for this order. So customer rating and acceptance rating does matter if you want to receive these diamond orders in the diamond zones. All right, let's look at my stats, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the stats. All right, my stats. At that time, if I can pull it up a little closer, you can see it right there. The average customer rating was 4.85. Acceptance rating is 90%. Completion rating 98%. But the two ratings that we're going to concentrate on is the average customer rating, 4.85, and the acceptance rating, which was 90%. And DoorDash said that these ratings are very imperative for diamond drivers to get these higher paying orders. So the acceptance rating and customer rating does matter. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the only content creator that has broken it down, detail to detail information to you. Now, we will be doing lives. I will pick different times, and I will show you how I get these kind of orders. Not only will I show you how to make more money per mile in these diamond zones, I will also show you how to make more money per hour in these diamond zones utilizing all the multiple programs and features in the DoorDash application. So what are you saying, D-Rev? What I'm saying to you is, in my market, the initial offer, $1.95 per mile up to $4 per mile. Now, after completing the delivery, it's $2.95 per mile up to $14.22 per mile. Any one of these offers, I could have just did one offer, and it would have been that much per hour. In receipt number 1, if I didn't do any other order, I would have made $29.21 for that hour. Receipt number 2, if I hadn't did no other order but that order, I would have made $29.82 for that hour. Receipt number 3, and we're getting ready to end the episode. If I hadn't did any other delivery but that delivery within that hour, I made $33.64 for that hour. Receipt number 4, if I hadn't did any other delivery but that delivery in 1 hour, I would have made $28.44 in an hour. This is the DoorDash revolution. The strategies, tips, and information that I give to you will blow your mind like landmines. This isn't bragging, ladies and gentlemen. This is the proof of my receipts, how I analyze how much I make per hour, how much I analyze how much I make per mile, how much I analyze how much I make on my shift. Thank you. Share this information to other drivers that needs to know the truth about the diamond program, about the diamond zones, and that money is out there. Keep collecting the diamonds, ladies and gentlemen. Peace, take care, and we will see you in the next video.